Welcome to the another episode of Logo Designing No Rules, where we make logos for fun and we actually don't follow designing rules. Well, kind of. Today we're gonna make this fun logo. Of course this is an imaginary logo, I mean just look at that. Even if this is a fun tutorial, we learn many tricks and tips throughout this tutorial. So without wasting any time, let's jump to the tutorial. Okay, so here we have a 1080p artboard, but you can work on any size of artboard. Let's first make a rectangle and fill up the artboard and make it less wide. I will lock this layer so it doesn't move accidentally. Now create a new layer. We'll be using this layer for this tutorial. First, draw a circle. Hold Shift to maintain the proportion. Now with the direct selection tool, select this point and press the up arrow key few times. Now it looks like an orange or pumpkin. Next, copy this shape and paste in place. I will make it smaller. Like before, with the direct selection tool, select this point and move it up. Select the upper point and move it down. See, we are getting somewhere. Now select the large shape and hold Alt option and drag to make a copy. I'm gonna resize it and now it looks like an egg. Again, copy the large shape and drag it down. Let me change the color, it's kinda confusing. Now select these two shapes and then select the shape builder tool. Hold Alt option and remove the unnecessary areas. Now I will make some small details. Select the rounded rectangle tool and make a line something like this. Next, select the ellipse tool and draw a circle. Then copy and paste in place. Make it smaller and give it a darker color. I will copy this in both sides and correct the position. Next, I will draw something like a speaker or I don't know. I think they have something like that, right? Anyone from outer space? For that, I will draw a circle. Then make a line and hold Alt option and duplicate it. Now press Ctrl or Command and D to repeat the last process. Now select everything and copy and paste in place. Then rotate it. Select all the lines, go to Pathfinder and unite them. They are now one shape. With the Shape Builder tool, we can easily remove the outer areas. I will place it here. I don't know what it is and still drew this. That's weird. Next, I will draw the reflection of the moon. I'm gonna draw a circle here and inside this circle, I will draw multiple small circles. This is for the moon hole. Draw some bigger and some smaller to create a variation. Now with the Shape Builder tool, remove this area. I think I need to lower the opacity. Much better. I will create another reflection. Select the rectangle tool and draw a shape like this. Copy it and reduce the width. With the Shape Builder tool, remove the unnecessary areas. Lower the opacity to around 40%. Now I will create some torchlight. Draw a rectangle and round the corners. Draw two circles inside the rectangle. Copy this to the other side. For the finishing touch, I will create some shines on the helmet. Select the pen tool and draw some paths here and there. Go to Variable Width Profile, select Width Profile 1 and increase the stroke size. Let's lower the opacity, it's kinda too bright. Now we need to give it a name. I will name it Calumet. If you're wondering what is this Calumet, it is the combination of galaxy and helmet. Yes, I know, very clever. This logo is finished, but I wanna give it some galaxy effects in the background. Let's create some stars and some random shapes and go crazy. Like I said, this tutorial is not for professional logo designing. We just want to make some fun. So there we go. This is our Calumet logo. Before we end this video, wanna see something interesting? There is someone inside the helmet. Let me give you some hints. He is a swordsman. He carries 3 swords. He has green hair. And he has no sense of direction. And there he is lost again. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something from it. Please subscribe my channel so that I can make more fun tutorials. And don't forget to like, share and hit the ring button. I will see you on next week. Take care everyone.